First things we do when we get a new Tesla is replace the factory pedal covers with our metal pedal covers. They look like this and this. So really easy to do. You just need some good finger strength because they're a bit of a pain to do. So first thing I'm going to do is remove this one. So on the back, you can't really see it, but you can just pry off the rubber retaining flaps. So you can see it looks kind of similar. And then we're going to hook ours on. So the way I do this one is start at the top and then just kind of bring these around and then just kind of fold this piece back. Now it does help if you want, especially if it's a little cooler where you are. Go ahead and just either leave these in the sun for 5 minutes, use a hairdryer just to warm up the rubber, just to make it a bit more supple. But I'm just going to go ahead and get this installed. So kind of bring that top and edges around, and then sort of, sorry it's all fingers and thumbs here, but there we go. Car thinks I'm about to go for a drive, I'm not. And then just kind of feel your way around to make sure that everything's properly secured. Obviously it's important, you want the pedal to be correctly placed, so that's done, nice and easy. For the gas pedal or accelerator pedal, there is nothing to remove, it's just this. It's pretty basic. So this is what the rear of our cover looks like. So it's we're just going to pry this back like this, and you can see there's a couple of little cutouts up here as well. So ideally it'll just slide up and over, but we'll see how that goes, but that's going to be my goal. So again, sorry all my hands and fingers are in the way, but I'm going to slide this up like so, and then just feel all around to make sure that the rubber is properly kind of wrapped around the back of the pedal, because we want to make sure it's all secure. Feel around this side too, that's good. Okay, so that's it. That's how you install the pedals for your Model Y, Model 3, any of the Teslas really. Thanks for watching.